Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and did you know that YouTube lets you schedule your videos to be uploaded to your channel? Well, pay close attention because in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do this. Now, before we get into the training, I want to give you two quick reminders. First, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Secondly, stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how you can get access to additional training which will show you how to get more leads for your business using YouTube. Now, what I love to do is I love creating videos on a daily basis, and so what I've always done in the past is I would create my videos for the week over the weekend, and then during the evening each day during the week I would go in and spend about 10 to 15 minutes to upload my video to my YouTube channel. Now, what I've learned to do, and I just discovered this a couple of days ago, is I learned that you can schedule your videos to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. And I'm really excited about this because now I can schedule those videos to go out, and it's a great time saver, especially when you have those moments where things come up, you might be sick or you've got family obligations, work or church, and you just can't get to uploading the video for the day. So let's walk through how to do this. The first thing you're going to do is come right up here where you see this icon that says create a video or post. Click on it and then click on upload video. Once that comes up, you're going to come down to this box and you're going to select scheduled. You need to have this scheduled first. You need to click that schedule box before you upload the video. Then you're going to click on select file to upload, and then I'm going to bring up my video, and I'm going to bring that up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to put in my content. What I like to do is when I'm getting my YouTube descriptions and everything, I put that into a notepad. That way it's easier to fill in all my information. Now if you're wondering how I got everything else put in here on my comment section, I have a lot of it filled out ahead of time. Watch my YouTube playlist and you will find the video that walks you through how to do that. So I'm just going to go through here, get some of this put in. Actually, it's going to go right here. Come back here. And then what I like to do is include the link of the YouTube video in my video description. And then I'm going to come down and make sure I get my tags. Get that in there. And I'm going to make sure I add my custom thumbnail. There. And then I'm going to come over, and so what you can see here, I can also put, I'm going to add this to my playlist, and I can put on here, I'm just going to take a copy here. Now what's really nice is when it says scheduled, I can come over here, I can select the date, and I can also select the time. So I'm going to select that my video is going to go out at 8 in the morning on Monday, August 13th, 2018. I can even put my time that where I'm located, and I'm going to put this at my local time. So as you can see here, I have everything here. And I'm just going to wait, and then when it's done, processing's done, I click Publish, And now this is going to be published on Monday. Very, very easy to do. Was this helpful for you? This is going to be a great tool for you to use, especially if you are working part-time and you want to leverage your time to work for you. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And as promised, here is the training that I would like to give you from my good friend, Mark Harbert. Mark Harbert is a video marketing expert, and what he did is he created a training where he's going to walk you through how to get more leads for your business using YouTube. And let me give you a little bit of a preview of what you're going to get. In this 90-minute video, he is going to walk you through excuse me, how to do some keyword research on YouTube so that you are making sure that your videos are getting ranked in the YouTube search engine so you can get more traffic and leads. He's also going to share with you a simple 4-part video script of how to script your videos so that people are reaching out to you. And then thirdly, you're going to look right down here where it says download companion PDF. In this video, or in this guide, he's going to give you 101 video creation ideas. These are ideas that you can use to create high quality content for your audience that your audience will really, really find value in. And this is a 4-page PDF document, so you will never run out of ideas. So to get access to this PDF guide and the 90-minute training, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/101 ideas. That's www.drlisamthompson.com/101 ideas. And then all you need to do is click on the Download Now button, enter in your very best email address, and then I will send this training and the PDF guide over to your email box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.